Hey Noti gang, so before we jump into this video, I just wanted to give our post notification shout outs. The first one goes to I Snap You. He or she was the first person to comment. The second was Natalia White, which happens to be my cousin. Hey cuz, thank you for watching. And of course, last but not least, Unruly Cougar. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, just correct me. Guys, if you want a shout out like this one, you have to be the first 3 people to comment on our next video. Let's just jump straight into the video. Hey y'all, so you know it's your girl Whitney, and I gotta be quiet because Jessie's sleeping right now. He came home from work and y'all, he was tired. He was so tired he took his shower and got into bed and fell asleep. So y'all know he made me cry in that last prank. So what I'm gonna do today, I know y'all seen it in the title, finna snip. I'm gonna cut his hair, y'all. Y'all know that he loved talking about his hair. He loved his hair so much. Every video, don't do this and that, my hair. So what better way to get him than to cut his hair? So he's sleeping right now. I'm finna go in here and cut his hair and wake him up so you can see it, so y'all can get the reaction. I gotta find the scissors, so once I get that, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. Alright, y'all. Y'all know he love his hair. If I get hurt, it's y'all fault, okay? So you better pray for me.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Babe,
Yes.
what the fuck are you doing?
Nothing. You love me?
I know you're not cutting my hair, babe. Motherfucker. This time you're sleeping, this motherfucker.
Babe!
You didn't.
Babe, okay. Wait. All right. I know, I'm sorry. I love you though, I'm sorry. Babe, don't be...
No, that shit ain't funny, man.
Babe, I'm sorry. Look though.
Why would you do that, man?
Look though. Here. What you about to do with that? Babe, you can't be mad, okay?
Babe, I know you didn't just fucking cut my hair like that. All that hair, babe.
What you cussing at me for?
How long did I take to grow this out?
I'm sorry, but I had to get you back. Look, y'all.
There's levels to this, alright? We need to make boundaries, alright? I'm serious.
Was it any boundaries where you had me crying?
That's too far.
This is too far. This. Babe, okay. Stop, okay? Stop. Don't be mad. I'm sorry. Give me a kiss.
No.
No?
Get away from me. I'm not gonna kiss you.
Why not? So what you mad for? I don't understand.
Bogus. Man, that's not even cool, man.
Babe, it's okay. You know, that's the style that
And
they
my
wear.
barber not even available for tomorrow.
It's okay.
My next appointment ain't till next week.
It's alright. He'll get over it. I know what... Y'all, let me do him like he did me. I know what to do to make him feel better. Look. Trophy. You bad. That's alright. I had to get you back. You made me cry on camera in front of all our subscribers. So, trophy.
I don't even know what to do right now.
Trophy.
That's not cool though, baby. That's really not cool.
Okay, give me a hug.
You
I'm
can't
sorry.
even post that.
Why not?
Because
We is posting it.
this is what you just did to me.
Give me a hug.
Hug yourself. And I gotta go to work in the morning.
I mean, so they gonna make fun of you or something? Looking like that? Huh? What you finna do with the scissors? Put that down. Babe, don't break the scissors. I need that. What is wrong with
I
you?
thought about that before.
Don't break the scissors, Jessie. Stop. I can't believe you right now. What the scissors do to you?
I just watched my
You better buy me a different pair. Some different scissors. Because I don't know what you breaking the scissors for. You know you bogus.
No, nigga, you bogus.
No, you is. He just broke the scissors, y'all.
No, they ain't broke yet.
Stop! Jessie, put the scissors down. What the scissors do to you? That's why you looking like you looking.
Fuck these scissors.
Babe, put the scissors down.
Look, I can't get no grip on this motherfucker.
What you mad for anyway? I should have cut it some more, but you woke up. I was gonna bulge your little big headed self. You was gonna wake up bald.
Your bald head ass gotta go to sleep.
Babe, don't do it back. I'm
You
sorry.
gotta go to sleep.
Don't do it back. He mad, y'all. I'm sorry, babe. You forgive me? Huh? Look, y'all. I cut his hair like I said I would. Y'all, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you will have good luck for the rest of the year. I'm out.